In this video, we are going to show you how to turn this dollar store gift box into a fabulous flower box. Hey guys, if this is our first time meeting, my name is Donald Yim AIFT. I am a floral designer, but I'm also love to make YouTube videos to share my tips and experience with people who have a passion for floral design. If you are passionate about floral design like me, consider subscribing. A few weeks ago, I picked up one of this gift box from the local dollar store. They are pretty good quality. I think it's a good idea to show you how to create an awesome gift with flowers for your friends or your loved one. Flower box is a popular item for Mother's Day, anniversary, or just because gift. If you wonder how can you make your first flower box for your loved one, this video is going to help you. Also, I will make it easy for you. I list out all my flowers and products I used in the description down below so you can check them out. Okay, without any further delay, let's jump on to the project. At first, we will be gathering some beautiful flowers and greeneries. Here we have some cream roses, carnations, green tricks, spray roses buds, spray roses, buttermums, hypericum berries, scabiosa pods, and some peppermint. After that, we prepared some floral foam inside the box with a cellophane. If you don't have cellophane, you can also use plastic bag, but make sure they don't have holes in it. Otherwise, when you add the water, it's going to leak all over and damage the box. The first floral products I use is roses. I love these roses. They are not too big. It's a perfect size for this box. And then is the long-lasting bicolor carnations. After the carnation is the green tricks. They give a fresh look for the arrangement. I love it. Flower buds is one of my favorite things to use. They add a lot of texture and detail to it. Here we have some gorgeous spray roses. They are open nicely, so it's perfect for filling up the space. Right now is the time to add some color into it by using buttermums. And then we will add some hypericum berries for the shiny texture. After that, we use the unique scabiosa pods. They are so different. Love them. The last thing is peppermint. I love it. They smell amazing. Here we go. This flower box is perfect for any occasions, look amazing and is pretty easy to create. I really loved the end result. Hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next one.